Imagine your brain as the world's most sophisticated computer. Just like a computer needs the right operating system to run programs effectively, your brain needs the right state to manifest your desires. This is where your breath comes in. It's literally the keyboard that programs your mental computer. Recent neuroscience has uncovered something extraordinary. When researchers at Northwestern University hooked people up to brain scanners, they discovered that rhythmic breathing creates a perfect synchronization between two crucial brain areas. The amygdala, your emotional processing center. Let's call this your feeling processor. The prefrontal cortex, your decision-making headquarters, your manifestation command center. Here's why this synchronization matters so much for manifestation. When these two brain regions work in harmony, it's like having your entire team working together perfectly on a project. Your emotions, amygdala, stop fighting with your logic, prefrontal cortex, and start cooperating. This creates the ideal mental environment for crystal clear focus, no more distracted thinking, emotional stability, goodbye anxiety and doubt, creative problem solving, hello inspired ideas. But the real game changer came from a 2021 study published in Scientific Reports. Researchers found that just 5 minutes of specific breathing patterns could increase theta brainwaves by 37%. These theta waves are your brain's manifestation frequencies, the same ones that make your bedtime visualizations so powerful, help monks enter deep meditative states, give artists and inventors their aha moments. Think of theta waves like your brain's Wi-Fi signal for connecting to the universe's manifestation network. The stronger your theta, the clearer your connection to your desires. Now let's talk about the two scientists who've revolutionized our understanding of breath and manifestation. Dr. Joe Dispenza, a neuroscientist and New York Times bestselling author, has conducted extensive research showing how breathwork combined with visualization can alter gene expression, literally changing how your DNA functions, reduce stress hormones like cortisol by up to 50%, accelerate physical healing processes. His work proves you're not stuck with the brain you have. You can rewire it through conscious breathing. Dr. Bruce Lipton, a former Stanford University stem cell biologist, made the groundbreaking discovery that your beliefs, which are controlled by your brain waves, actually control your biology. His research demonstrates how limiting beliefs are stored in your cells. Changing your breathing changes your brain waves. New brain waves can reprogram those limiting beliefs in minutes, not years. The implications are staggering. Your breath isn't just keeping you alive, it's the control panel for your entire reality creation system. Every inhale and exhale is literally programming your mind and body for success or failure in manifesting your desires. Here's a simple experiment you can try right now to experience this. Take 4 quick, shallow chest breaths, like when you're stressed. Notice how you feel, probably anxious and scattered. Now take 4 slow, deep belly breaths. Feel the immediate shift to calm and focus? That's your manifestation switch being flipped in real time. The first pattern puts you in scarcity mode where manifestation is nearly impossible. The second puts you in creation mode where anything becomes possible. Your nervous system is like a high-performance sports car with 2 very different driving modes. Understanding how to switch between these modes is the key to unlocking consistent manifestation success. First, let's explore stress mode, technically called the sympathetic nervous system state. This is your body's emergency response system designed for survival in dangerous situations. When you're in this mode, your breathing becomes shallow and rapid, chest breathing. Blood rushes to your limbs for fighting or fleeing. digestion, and other non-essential systems shut down. Your brain goes into hyper-alert threat detection. From a manifestation perspective, this is like trying to grow a garden during a hurricane. Your entire system is focused on short-term survival, not creating your dreams. In fact, research shows that chronic stress can reduce your ability to manifest by up to 60%. Now let's look at the opposite state. Create mode, the parasympathetic nervous system state. This is where the magic happens. In this mode, your breathing becomes deep and rhythmic, belly breathing. Blood flows optimally to your brain and creative centers. Your body focuses on growth, repair, and regeneration. Your mind enters a state of relaxed awareness. This is the ideal state for manifestation because your entire system is optimized for creation rather than survival. It's like tending your garden on a perfect spring day. Everything grows effortlessly. The master switch between these two states is your vagus nerve. Think of it as your body's chill-out cable. This remarkable nerve wanders through your entire body, connecting your brain to your major organs. What's fascinating is that it responds primarily to one thing: your exhale. Here's why this matters for manifestation. When you extend your exhale, especially with a slight pause at the bottom, you directly stimulate your vagus nerve, which then flips your entire system into create mode. This explains why all ancient meditation traditions emphasize the exhale. They understood this physiology intuitively. One of the most powerful breathing techniques for manifestation uses a specific inhale, hold, exhale rhythm that instantly calms your nervous system and puts you in the perfect state for attracting your desires. It works by activating your vagus nerve and creating heart-brain coherence. You'll feel calmer and more focused immediately. We've created a full guided tutorial on this exact method. Check out our 478 breathing video on the channel to learn the simple steps. It's one of the fastest ways to shift into your manifestation zone anytime, anywhere. Your mind is like a sophisticated computer that's been running the same programs since childhood. Many of these programs are limiting beliefs like, money is hard to get, or I'm not good enough. Traditional approaches to changing these beliefs, like affirmations, are like trying to update your computer's operating system one line of code at a time. Painfully slow and often ineffective. Breathwork offers a much more powerful solution. It's like hitting the factory reset button on your mental computer. Here's why this works at a neurological level. When you engage in conscious breathing techniques, several remarkable things happen simultaneously in your brain. Oxygen levels in your prefrontal cortex increase by up to 40%. This is the part of your brain responsible for clear thinking and decision-making. More oxygen means better function. Stress hormones like cortisol decrease rapidly. Cortisol is like mental static that interferes with clear reception of your desires. Your brainwaves become more flexible. This creates a temporary window of plasticity, where old neural pathways can be updated and new ones formed. The result? Those stubborn limiting beliefs that have resisted years of positive thinking can suddenly loosen their grip. This explains why people often experience profound breakthroughs during or immediately after breathwork sessions. By changing your breathing, you change the underlying biochemistry that keeps those beliefs in place. It's like changing the soil in which your mental garden grows. Suddenly everything flourishes differently. Your heart is much more than a physical pump. It's actually the most powerful electromagnetic generator in your body. Research from the HeartMath Institute has revealed some astonishing facts. Your heart's electromagnetic field is 60 times stronger than your brain's. This field radiates up to 10 feet beyond your body. The field's strength and quality directly correlate with your breathing patterns. This has profound implications for manifestation. Your heart's electromagnetic field acts like a broadcasting signal that attracts or repels people and circumstances based on its quality. Chaotic, stressed breathing. Scattered, weak signal. Coherent, rhythmic breathing equals strong, clear signal. This explains those magical moments when perfect opportunities appear unexpectedly. The right people show up at the right time. Solutions to problems emerge effortlessly. When your heart's electromagnetic field becomes coherent through proper breathing, you literally become more attractive to aligned people and circumstances. It's not magic, it's physics. Here are 3 fascinating phenomena that explain how this works. Emotional entrainment. Within minutes of interaction, other people's heart rhythms begin synchronizing with yours. This is why calm, centered people seem to calm the room. Heart-brain dialogue. Your heart actually sends more signals to your brain than vice versa. Coherent breathing optimizes this communication, leading to what we call intuitive hits. Decision clarity. Stress breathing clouds judgment, while rhythmic breathing reveals perfect choices with surprising ease. Remember, the quality of your breathing determines the quality of your magnetic field, which determines what you attract into your life. Your breath is the most underrated manifestation tool you possess. By mastering just 5 minutes of conscious breathing daily, you rewire your brain for success. Become a human opportunity magnet. Unlock effortless manifestation. The bridge between your dreams and reality isn't out there. It's in the very air moving through you right now. Each breath is an opportunity to program your nervous system for success. The question is, are you breathing consciously or leaving your manifestations to chance?